Children, now let's take another type of simultaneous linear equation. Mind you, it's not one of the method, it's one of the type, right? By substitution. So the type is by substitution. Now the question arises that how will I know whether this type is a substitution sum, or I'm supposed to solve this particular sum via substitution type. There is a very simple thing which I'm going to tell you. What is that? That the moment you see within an equation, variable in the denominator in the form of monomial or for that matter binomial. I repeat, the moment you see a variable in the denominator, it could be in the form of monomial or it could be the form of binomial, immediately act upon it, take it as a sum whereby which you have to substitute something. So it's by substitution sum. Right, children? Let's see what is our sum trying to say. 7 by x plus 13 by y is 27. 13 by x plus 7 by y is 33. What did sir say right now a minute back? Did you understand? I did not say anything. You have variables in the denominator, so it's a substitution sum. So I'll simply say let 1 by x be a and 1 by y be b. Now children, it's not necessary that every time you take a and b, you can take anything other than x and y. You're supposed to take anything from alphabet A to Z other than x and y. We always, a normal way is to take a and b. So 1 by x is a, 1 by y is b. So what is our equation? The first equation transforming to, though I have not given any 1 and 2 over here, now we are and we will be 7 by x. Children, can I write down 7 by x as 7 into 1 by x? Let me show you here. 7 by x as 7 into 1 by x. So 7 by x can be written as 7 into 1 by x, and 1 by x is nothing but a. 1 by x is nothing but a. So can I say this is 7a? Likewise, 13 by y. Can I write down 13 by y as 13 into 1 by y? Can I write down 13 by y as 13 into 1 by y? 1 by y is nothing but b. So this becomes 13b. So plus in between, plus 13b is equals to 27. I shall not erase this. This is not part of the solution. Mind you, this is not part of the solution. This is only to make you understand how this 7a, 13b came into existence. 7 into 1 by x, 7 by x, 13 by y, 13 into 1 by y. 1 by x is a, 1 by y is b. Now I'm going to say this is my equation number 1. Likewise, on the same lines, children, on the same lines, 13a plus 7b is 33. Now there are many who have learned a type which is called as add, subtract, add. There are many students who have learned a type which is called as add, subtract, add. Will immediately say, sir, this has become now, or this substitution sum has now become into an add, subtract, add. Why? 7, 13, 13, 7. Now since it has become an add, subtract, add sum, I shall do it via add, subtract, add. But I'll give you one more solution. I shall give you one more solution, that even if within a sum, within a particular sum, even if the question appears to be an add, subtract, add one, still we can solve it by other way. Normally we go with add, subtract, add, mind you, that's our vision and that's the way we normally solve so. But a part of add, subtract, add also we can go with a normal way, as we are taking a normal equation. So as of now I'm taking add, subtract, add, adding equations 1 and 2. Adding equations 1 and 2. When I add equations 1 and 2, 7a plus 13b is 27. 13a plus 7b is equals to 33. When I add it, 20a, 20b, here it is 60. Those who are very well versed with are running ahead of me, solving it from their end. 20 common, always sir said has to be a factor, divide by 20. A plus b is equals to 3. This is my equation number 3. This is my equation number 3. Next, What do we do, so? We always go for subtract. So subtracting. Subtract equation. Which equation? From what? Subtract equation 1 from 2. When I say subtract equation 1 from 2, 13a plus 7b is 33. Children, whatever comes after from, 1 from 2. So whatever comes after from is what we normally have a habit of writing first. 1 from 2, 33. Here 7a plus 13b is 27. Now those who feel that, sir, you are subtracting this from this, how about this is subtracted from this, means this is written on top and this is written on bottom, still you will get the same answer, children. Irrespective, you change the order, you subtract 1 from 2, you subtract 2 from 1, answer will never go wrong unless until you commit some mistake, right? Both the ways you will get right answer. It's only the format, right? We are writing 1 from 2, so 2 should come first and then 1 should be subtracted from it, right? We are following correct English. When I go for subtraction, sign changes. 13 minus 7, 6a. 7 minus 13 minus 6b. Here it is simply 6. 6 common. A minus b is 6. Divide by 6. What I'll get? A minus b is 1. This is my equation number 4. In add, subtract, add, we say add, we say subtract, and now we say add. Adding equation. Equations 3 and 4. So it is a plus b is 3, a minus b is 1. When I add it, gets cancels off. 2a is 4, a equals to 2. Substitute. A equals to 2 in. Always in add, subtract, add. Mind you, always in add, subtract, add. We will substitute in either 3 or 4 as being stated earlier. We will not take 1 and 2. Your call. Should I take equation 3? In equation 3, a plus b is 3, 2 plus b is 3, b is equals to 2 goes there, b is equals to 1. B is equals to 1. Now those who feel that we are done with the sum, no, we are not done with the sum. Why? Because our question was talking in terms of x and y. The variables were x and y. And what answer did we get right now? A and b. So we are not done with it. What had we done? We had gone for substitute. Let means substitute. We have to resubstitute it. Time for resubstitution has come. Resubstitute the value of x and y. So what was x taken as? 1 by x is taken as a and 1 by y is taken as b. So I'll say 1 by x is a. Simultaneously I'm writing since I have space. If you don't have in your answer sheets, you can take it one below the other. 1 by x as a, 1 by y is b. 1 by x, what is the value of a did we get? A we got it as 2, which implies x is nothing but half. X goes, 2 comes down. Likewise, 1 by y is b and b is nothing but 1. Doesn't make any difference. Wherever you take it, your y turns out to be 1 by 1, which is 1. Your y turns out to be 1 by 1, which is 1. So the value of x is half. The value of y is 1. In our solution set, I shall write down half comma 1. As being stated earlier also in add, subtract, add type, that there are 2 ways to represent your answer. Even in your previous type also, I have given you in this particular way. Whatever your board says, you will write down in that particular way. Let's go for cross check. We always go for a cross check before we move further. If I substitute x as half and y as 1, let's see whether we are getting the answer. So this is cross check. Mind you, this is cross check. Our sum is done. This is cross check. If you want, I'll write down cross check. Seven by x. So 7 by x is half. Plus 13 by y. 13 by y is 1. A whole upon b by c. This will go upper. That is up. It is going to go. 7 into 2 7 2s are 14 by 1, 13 by 1, 14 plus 13, 27 by 1, which is 27. And now you can check. Our answer is correct. If you want, you can take it in the second also. You shall get the same answer.